Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to Science Club with BASF. I'm Lily. I'm here with Kelly Liberator from BASF. Today, we're going to discover whether plants are phototropic. Here are the items that you'll need.
We're searching for clear evidence of the effect of light on green plants. How do they respond? Though we may think that plants do not move, they do, slowly. We call this movement growth.
15 days ago, we put 2 plants in the first box so light could only come in from one side. The second group of geraniums were left fully exposed to sunlight, and the third group were completely covered by the box with no exposure to sunlight. We provided the exact same amount of water to all 6 plants for 15 days. Here's what we found.
The leaves and stems on the geraniums exposed to sun on one side are starting to grow toward the light. The plants exposed to no sun are starting to yellow and wither. Compare that to the middle group exposed to full sunlight. They vary greatly.
For more information, go to abc11.com/scienceclub and follow us on Facebook to share your results. Thanks for watching Science Club with BASF.